Get ready to receive the money you desire, the love you crave, and the health that you absolutely depend on. Hi everyone, Robert Zink, Miracle Mentor and Alchemy Life Coach. And today we are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle flying in the direction of your dreams and your goals. Want to remind you that every full moon we help you clear away all that negative energy and we fill you full of positive light energy. Visit us at clearingandhealing.com to sign up. It's absolutely free. We do it worldwide every full moon. So sign up and join us on the next full moon. Don't give up. Do not give up on what you desire in your life. So many people are, and I get letters every day. We get 1,000 letters a week. So many people say, Robert, I'm waiting on love. I'm waiting for the right person to come into my life. I'm waiting for my ex to come back to me. I'm waiting to save my relationship. I'm waiting to feel loved in my life. I'm waiting for a commitment. And then there are people who say, Robert, my relationship is fine, but I've been struggling for 20 years, for 30 years, just getting by. And I'm waiting on money. When is my ship coming in? I have 2 words to say to you right now. Get ready. I've been waiting on my business to explode, to take off, but it's been 5 years now and it's still not doing any good. When is it going to happen? When is money going to come flowing into my life? I'm a smart person. I study, I read. When is it going to happen? Get ready. And yet other people who are perhaps writing a book, in the acting business, musicians, artists, business people, they say, Robert, if I just had one opportunity, just one opportunity, I could change my whole life. I could change other people's lives. I could make the world a better place. I just need one opportunity. Get ready. Are you ready? Are you ready for that opportunity? Because if you're not ready, when that opportunity comes, it's going to go right on by you. You need to be ready in advance of it showing up. There is a miracle coming into your life. I believe that. If that is your intention, that love is coming into your life, or that money is coming into your life, or that healing. Perhaps you've been struggling with a condition for many, many years now, chronic pain. And you're wondering, is it ever going to get better? Or is this as good as it gets? I urge you to rid yourself of that thought. Because healing is very possible and it's very probable. All you have to do is one thing. Get ready to receive it. Get ready to receive the healing that is coming into your life. Get ready to receive the money that is coming into your life. Get ready to receive that relationship, that broken, torn down marriage that is going to be new and exciting and loving again. So many people in the world, everywhere, people in Pakistan, in India, in the United States, in Canada, in Australia, in England, people everywhere in the world. There are people waiting for a miracle. Are you one of those people? I urge you right now, stop waiting and get ready. Start expecting that miracle in your life. Begin expecting money to flow through your life like you've never seen before. You see, when you live in a state of want or hoping or waiting, that's all you're going to receive from the universe. Now I'm going to share with you, high flyers, something very, very important. This is how you really communicate with the universe. I'm going to give you something very easy to memorize. I want you to write this down. Stop this video if you need to. I want you to write it down. And I want you to say it 3 times a day for at least 28 days. 3 times every day, morning, noon, and night. Now, if you want to say it more often, hey, that's fine. That's wonderful. Are you ready? If you're not, you better get ready, because the love you desire is flowing into your life. It's coming into your life. It's embracing you. The money you desire, the opportunities you need, they are coming into your life. You need to be ready. Now, here's what you say. I accept, fill in the blank. I accept the wealth and prosperity that is in my life, and I am completely grateful. I accept the incredible opportunities that are in my life, and I am completely grateful. You see, you just fill in the blank. I accept the blank. It's a blank check. You just received a blank check from the universe. And that's how you have to approach it. That's how you have to approach it. You have to approach it as if the universe has just handed you a blank check and you are filling the amount out. And it may not be money. It might be a relationship. It might be a specific person. It might be your marriage. It might be your health. It might be an opportunity. It might be the miracle that you've been waiting for. Stop waiting. Get ready to receive. Now, end it with these words. This is my time. When doubt comes into your mind, when you start to wonder, is this ever going to happen? Is this a bunch of BS? Is this real? Well, just remember that Robert was living in a hotel room in downtown Portland. And all I said was, this is my time. I'm ready. I had built several empires. I had made a lot of money for myself and for a lot of other people. I had built $1 million company and sold it earlier in my life. I had lost a lot of money. I lost a lot of friends. I lost a lot of relationships. I lost opportunities. But I knew something. I knew that this was my time. This is your time. Say it right now. This is my time. This is my time. Now, I've given you a clear, concise method on how to speak to the universe. I've given you a simple statement of fact. It's beyond an affirmation. It's a statement of fact. If you're here, this is your time. Claim it. Say it's mine. And it's your time for what? For what? for whatever you desire. Have a great day because you absolutely deserve it. Bye-bye now.